It is Wi-Fi. A lot of words. So I'll be just for sure. Okay, so I will be able to use storage to and okay. Course I'm already sure we're going to yeah, you can do hash whatever. Irritation. That's so basics. Enter what? Main file is a tab file. What? Go to main file. The tab file. What? Okay, it's configuration. Oh, okay. Go to the root. Oh god. Why does it say root? Hmm. Bin file. Okay. Default terminal. Simple terminal safety file. Bin file. Operating on uh you you can change that. Use size program. Hmm. Can copy to this time. Let's see what you can. Right click and file to select property. That's really busy. Oh god. Binary text files. So it's a loot access. Okay. Uh, permission section. Okay. Okay. And who's the user permission and the group? Oh god. It's so annoying. And the summary, the owner, and the permissions. Okay, terminal. Simulations terminal. List. Such error is just showing the permissions for with change owner. Change owner, change group, change moderator, mode, mod, whatever. Oh, switch. Okay, that's easy to understand. And contain the games and the sensation. Okay, go to terminal. Well, let's see. Where is that terminal? Find the files and file current location. I have typed that. Okay. Okay. Just show file explore. Knowledge. Events. Okay, we moving between that. Okay, see. Is case sensitive? Yeah, it's case sensitive. So you see, create a directory. Do I cd to the directory? Full pass. Okay. And if one today phone right right click mouse and okay delete okay remove R I have no idea what's the R stick for. Mm, now we have the we on for pass. Go to the previous one, previous folder, upper folder. Okay, origin and anywhere. Okay, HCD. Um, this 72%, a couple of important distinction or later. The one computer, you know, a computer without SSI doesn't do much. Unity, you, T. Oh, whatever. In a moment, whatever. Okay. Information, the cracker. Okay. IWList. If you need a more than one. Okay, so start with zero. Okay. IWList. Mm, let's see, SSL reaching using it. Okay. It is a site. This part teacher will not actually not be guided. You won't able to read the instructions to reason comments and regret. Menu. Details how programmers menu will be fine. The examples using okay commands and the programs commands. Uh, Square is check. Continue open the program file. Open the menu. Where's the menu? Okay, it's here. So it's like the previous one. That's okay. Put it here. What? It's weird. Hmm. It's okay. Menu. How to understand? Your computer is only has some of the programs and documents listed in the menu. As you processing the game, you will download and create them yourself on our ideas and menu. All like okay, okay to start. First step. First thing, just click next. Okay. This is the first introduction. You will have verified that you do not have access to network not check in the future. You will be able to control your own connections to the network for monthly amount. What? And for the moment, you will another way send the access users and the security to or whatever and the information or whatever. Terminal program. Do I install those things? I have no idea. The tutorial will continue. And you can message it. Okay, basically I'm doing now. Program sentence when I should follow in the order. Okay, air ball. Okay, so start and ending and interface, for example, start. User able to enable monitor more on the network interface and being able to connect mode to major modes. Like it's got memory sound parameters showing that. First thing is you're able to get a connections password and a Wi-Fi route, and the network card needs to be. Let me see what exactly this thing is doing. Start W0. Okay. Hmm. So basically we have one network cards. Hmm. It can be turned on and turned off. I think. Stop. See. Stop. What can happen? Failed. Okay. Monitor mode. Okay. Then go to list. Air. No. A replay or airplay. I don't know. Hmm. User inject flowing interface awareness of interface and the function generate uh last use. Let's check. Once you select one and a star, okay. Okay, that's different. B is basically the PSID, right? When the E Corp device. So case fail. In case of fail, means against is okay. Once execute in 3 minutes, CK and to be generated, and good network at least seven K ACKs was enough will be enough. Will be enough and the lower. Okay, so good network basically is less than that, less ACK I think. It's a lower power network you may need much more. Oh, okay, it depends on what do you mean by power networks? Why? Okay, I will with my down. Okay, once you reach a design package, Control C stop. Okay, stop the program. Okay, it's AirPlay. There's another one. What's it called? Okay, IW list. Then what? Then what? Choosing. Then air play. I'm not. Then choose Okay, so electric power. Hmm. Yeah, just choose the highest one. So, okay, I need a copy piston this way. Alright, great. Paste. And E. Open device. Hmm? No, you want from me. You want from. What? Am I doing wrong? Open device should be. Try another. Uh, wait. Okay, it's a biscuit. No garage fine. What? Choose the worst one. Probably because network problem. I have no idea. Shh. Oh, I cannot be in this case looks. Hmm? Probably it's coming guys. Usually saying that wrong doesn't well doesn't fun. Copy paste. Hoping because I have some kind of typing issue. What? I cannot type. I cannot copy paste. Copy. Ah, there won't be problems. I try to copy paste everything. Um, devices and just choose the first one. See. And paste. Yeah, the route doesn't fall. What? Okay, let me see. There's more. Aircrackers key is fire generates. We access the more air monitor. Why doesn't find? I have no idea. Hmm. Start. And what's next? Network. Let's two. And list. Okay. Wait, test 0. I think E is ESSID. Okay, let me see. Uh, B is let me try see. It doesn't explain what's the E stand. What's E for? And E is let's see. Sasha. Yep. Thought there was some kind of software. Ugh. Great bunch package. Eee. The air quack. Just say, right? Just say used. Use always fine. Okay, so where is the file saved? Where is the file? Let me see. Hobby same folder where airplay command execute. Okay, so I'm not sure where I am. Seems in the what was in the loot. Then I don't see stop CD. Is in the desktop. Okay, desktop. It's in the loot. Hmm. Okay, so if we want to crack that, so we have to run those programs, then creating the files, then waiting for the ACK to reach at least 7K. If the power is lower, we need 20K something. Okay, I think it's enough. Control what? How I can stop it? Command. I don't have command. Command C. Control. Okay, Control C. And the file is where is it? WD. Okay, it's not okay. Then next one is air crack. What's the name? File.cp. I see. Oh, 222. Nice. Yep. Okay, you should register. Okay, you email. Okay. Browser. Browser. And search services and yes, what is it? If you're playing multiplayer mode, you'll see page. Ooh, next time maybe I try multiplayer. Okay, just like no website made by player more popular and okay. So and there's also options. Options is shown website creator. And Come just let's introduce up here and okay. I just want to see what's going on in this game. There's many options and before you can get a link important to see to know how important details here. It's just okay. Whoa, what the heck? And your access and log safe in the server host page and the copy IP computer processing or otherwise review the sessions of avoid hack. How to avoid being hacked by another player before passing? Okay. Um, contain the system. Protect yourself. Hacking network with output. What? Reverse shell. CCTV. Following. Oh, that's why multiplayer is kind of challenging. Okay, there's no signal, so info people message and that's what you for this since containing good security season when different methods depends on libraries and that is stored in your systems as well any sources from SSH or HTTP. Mm, it's always a try to error process it until you find the right security. Okay, you know, although there's a same basic so hmm connect website your IP just records and it's without anyone can access the logs can be increasing those connections and have been made and therefore can be reach you. Since those persons are the ones the hackers usually review the message register on any page that not okay, so not the first result. So okay. Change the Wi-Fi visit a website. If it's a suspect that IP could be discovered and when access assistance and uh, community connect to another Wi-Fi network so that the attacker reach public no longer you're no longer there. Okay, so register basically register account. The website can record your IP address, but if I'm login, that's people can reach my IP address, find out my IP address. If it's not, I just register email, then switch to switch to the another Wi-Fi. Any major permissions of a file default permission configure share configure your OS may not enough. Okay, so a good idea is to restrict those permission as much as possible. Of course, without locking yourself out and CD in there. Yeah, the last part is kind of vague because what kind of file I should lock it. I should change the permission. Okay, so I think that's the ways they try to hack or okay, other network. Okay, that's a lot of reading. Not a network, not a network have open ports for outside. In those case, HSLN can be somewhat more complicated. Okay. Common access network to is to try hack the router itself. Network route is kind of confused. So what's the difference between the networks and the router? Hmm. Searching or building um, exploit, wait, exploited that attack the kernel large SO library. I have no idea what's that. And once you access to the route, it's gonna recommend you that upload scan them program. So it's more involved to the hacking stuff, and I think the tutorial should may teach us how to do it. And the reach local network jump from here you reach one target and local network jump into S21 to another. Okay. Where is the close power to use a remote shell? Where we can connect to your is that you okay, so just send some kind of virus to them. Huh. Okay, so to do this, first I need to set up a R shell service. Okay, servers. Okay, that handle receive the connections of victims and once you have the server configured, you can try to get victims to run programs, make a connection to the machine without okay. Social engineer. Funny game. Okay. Hmm. So we have to find maybe the target has some kind of interest, like a cat, whatever. That is cat event or pets event, whatever. Hmm. Once everything then to run programs, you will need a Arch interface program to handle coming connections. Okay. CCTV. Something like some network, especially large ones, has a CCTV closed circuit television to monitor. Okay. part of printing access of the system is more useful than same. This one can make living information import important information, I think. In view use camera. Okay. 100% I can't see camera PC and those camera has just before just using phones and I just camera. Conditions so use a camera footage to get information. Okay, it's weird. Okay. Press X button. Continually in the which is one from one button. Not implement. If you have the first time doing this tutorial, you register whatever bank account where you will not leaving any log to a servers. Wait, what? However, you do the tutorial later again. If the log is okay. So being hack a part of learning. In this game, eventually you too will learn how to do it. After a game over, you can keep certain elements. Okay, if we got a hack, I I will lost. Basically, the game just gone, just game over. Okay, that's a challenge. And the following game. And restart doesn't painful, but we will get back that card later. Okay, continue. I just choose any. Okay. Let me see. Is this saying a personal welcome at we are five access security. Let me see. Yeah, choose I don't know. This one is a no. Basically the same. Now register, choose the username. Okay, if I'm streaming, it's obviously people can see my my username and password, right? Is it bad? Okay. I may have to play offline for a while, so I don't have. Don't have. I will get a hack whatever in the future. Okay. Let me see where is the setting for this game menu. Streaming. Ah, okay. Hidden IP address, email, bank account, everything. Okay. Let's see. A, B, C. We still can see. I don't know why. Yeah, whatever. Uh, A. Just go easy. Then password. Great. Okay. It's annoying. What? Wait. Menu setting account. It's okay. I just menu setting. Setting accounts. It's okay if I gotta. Ooh. Retouch. Open current access. Register bank account. Let me check if I got a email. Maybe it's Kansas City. Okay. So basically, it's the things I set up. Okay. Cool. Hmm. Then go to main page. Main page. Main page. Go search. Okay. Hmm. Bank. Search. Search a bank. Okay. So if I play all, but still you can see what's the bank. Two, three. Bank account right there. Okay. It looks like you will receive an email. Open email privilege of okay, that's an email. Okay. Right. S- and I'm watching you. Hi, in front of me, monitoring user register the machine like one tracing. They want shuffle. You're interested in game. I can give you access my private server, but before I need you to do something for me, consider and email. email of kinds, if your configurations plan, for the best controls, and include your and I play easy. But if the email is redundant, how do I know it's do I just copy paste everything? Okay, so I just press that. Okay. Hmm. Create email. 就是SS 举例 create new this one to see if it's kind of weird. Okay, is does okay, let me see this one. Yeah, kind of weird thing. But makes sense. Hmm. Social interaction form tools to tools situation yes punishment this redefining religion and purpose and administrations you need to check the system administrator administrator by putting things to view evidence so things like select logging issue. Okay. Hmm. You can need emails. You will need correct information to check. Working is a pace. We don't need to know names. Unfortunately, in the the received and how to send me messages. Any other problems when we don't know email. Okay, so who is it the same like a previous one, a previous game? Who is and the person to get information If SSH works, you will get whatever credential to be able to access a remote and SS using SSH terminal program. Uh, Keep in mind that the credential you get now are not ones you ask for information. You need to find credential email account. So, once inside here, you will search through the file with encrypt password program attached to the and to decrypt. SSH continue. Okay. Mm, so what we do is we basically needed to see the email. Where's the email? Okay, can I go back? I need to see email. Okay. Need to email. Okay. This is the IP address. Who is? I can paste. Ow. Okay. Uh, I think it. Um, okay, so this one is okay. Administrator control. Okay. Mm, email. I think it's this one. Ooh, that's sent. Ooh, I got it. Hi. You can run password at all times and issues. Are you kidding me? That person is me. Who are you? Okay, I'm doing wrong. So is it a person's name? Let me see. Does he give me the person's name? Hmm. The computer. So the email address is not correct. Well, I don't know what happened here. Domain name. Credentials, searches. Is he using this one? Right, another one. Try it. Login issue. And try again. Email not ready, not delivered. Hmm. Wait, let me see the tutorial. Okay, I'll go back. Hmm. User who is to access the public information. So he gave us the public IP. Okay. Uh, it means that we have to go to the organization. We got a name. Probably should go to the organization website, see. Can we get some information on that? No, it's not that. We got an email. I got a cell phone. You see anything else outside any? I'm kind of stuck in first place. First things. It's a victim's name, but how we can find maybe just try to who is key part is who is right. I can just uh do we go to menu. Let me see menu. Autosave, shut down. Is information is about data domain, such as the domain and the information. Okay, I think it's I find a moderator, but problem is a name. I get a you belong to okay, that's a guy. Okay, I just did the wrong thing. Okay. Issue then the ministry the network and the name. name this guy. I should be okay. There's no one. Huh? What? Belong to this person, right? That's kind of weird. Basic information. Get you. Keep in mind conditions. Ah, you should kind now. It's not. For financial service. Written email account. Send basic information. Email address. But but the say there's no one there. It's alibi. Choosing to get a system of person and everybody. I got administrator. Ah, that's kind of weird. Yeah, I should add that why the see. YouTube. Yes, I mean, it's saying. The problem is I'm not sure it's correct. The reduction is kind of hard to make sure it's correct or not. Let's see. Let's change it. Mm, email. Let's see. This is an organization. I think the email is correct. And subject issue and the name. The names of the person. It's kind of weird. Yeah, I did the same thing, but it gave me a different result. What the heck? So probably because of copy paste. It's kind of weird. Okay, username. Let's computer and using SSH. I'm sure SSH. Username, passwords, IP address, port. Okay. I can delete those email. I did it right, but the email is incorrect. I was typing by my hand, so it could pass. It's kind of weird. Let's search password. Okay. Search. Yeah. Oh, IP address. Okay. First remote connections are prevention. Okay. Prevent programs are not that connect remote change the color of the window title. Window title bar make them easy to identify and configuration and setting. Important to know it is digital. Okay. Track changer. We see setting for appearance. Title remote. Okay, it's in here. It's a blue. Okay. What's the original one? Connections. Probably, I don't know. I already know. What's the difference? Mm, remote connections only can be made through the terminal. So in conditions, circling new discovery and other programs that allow you to connection to the machine. That will connect to the machine. You can browse the file system, run program, as long as okay, and keep in mind you launch virtual program through a terminal even when connects. You want to use a program that is not on you can always upload a file to a folder on the machine. How we can do that? For example, using communal update SCP to upload and download phone the function to the terminal. You can also can use the AI to you can also doing using the UI launcher. Let me see. File export. Next. Okay. So it's the interface. Also, I can see the see the file systems to the machine. And you can copy paste things. That's a CP. CP. Stop about CP. On. Why it's okay, it's code. Partial and Casio and Remotio connect servers and give the IP address for username per username password. It doesn't say how to do the terminal. Let me see. SCP. Ah, the use for German. Usage. Okay. Download is D. So upload is U. Okay. Okay. Copy paste. You can copy paste or whatever. Explorer. Explorer time sharing. Avoid to get caught. And when you access remote machine without an friend, it's more likely you are attract tensions, and if find something suspicious in your main regular, or if they find out something suspicious. may start checking your connections. If they find a machine saying issues and you want to report. And it depends on the type of network you have access and okay. Where letter is not so simple. Okay. In any case, is highly implement your increase your once you finish the intrusion. Our computer has log record in var season log versions. For sure. Doesn't run the things kind of weird. In any case, I recommend that you should okay log file versus such as connections. Open the system first. You need using virtual isn't done to solution so I have to find a credential first, I think. Menu is okay. Just to configuration bank email. I think I'm looking for email, right? Computer device, computer, personal computer encrypted. You need to find the files, crack it. I think it's this one. It's the password. I think. Okay. Do I have some kind of notebook or something I can do? Right. So, yeah, notepad. I'm just gonna copy paste. Oh, what? This game is kind of copy paste is hard. Okay, I got a thing. I can crack. Ooh, bank account. Nice. Here I can go when you go to it's a system, I think. Wait, system log. Ooh. What's the days from this? Okay, important notes. It's only used for when a positive chase curve. Well, that's a two type of chasing. Wait, let's go for active chase and positive chase. IP address connection. How do I know when is the time? Uh, let me say any time. Okay. And it's important for the question for positive, okay, activity. The higher recommend you to look at of which is oh my god, that's another reading. That's a lot of stuff. Holy shit, there's a lot of things. Realize as remote communities without analysis. And depends on what type of same thing. Any case you need daily whatever what file you just mention that and the positive okay active traits and the curve that only systems locked in of the system. The system is locked and into computers you know have access and otherwise stop this chase if you already start it has already started to disconnect from the motion which is a positive point gains and system to have a working schedule. Okay. Uh, visualize two machines at a time so when it's not working. So we have to find out this working schedule. What the heck? Being hacker is so busy. Oh god. And to know the user any other user recently in the systems, you can use a ps command. If there's a process called dissection, it means user who whom to user to whom process belong is active in the machine. Programs like user modules noted in automatic more ways and when we should occur. Possibly time remains until it reaches to reach you. Okay, so it's talking about if all four. Okay. The positive choose is will encourage the after active has got to before taking log every time the rhythm of the system one which is as we jumping until persistent point those temperatures much slower than temperatures. So active chase basically is Mm, it's a the user find out you are doing some kind of activity. System login to you have this is and that to voice stop. Let's just if you already started to disconnect. Please connect machines. There's one. So locking nobody on the machines, but chasing big chase. Uh, one person the man simply see these cars online in your bank account, such as a transaction. Each time transaction being made less locked. Okay. Safety in the bank, both sender and the receiver. The money will pass the pass of the transaction lock. Open. Oh, let's log program. There's a admin me monitor, and there's comments for SP, and there's a log viewer. Log viewer, I think it was mentioned about yeah, log viewer, same thing. Mm. Then make a transaction trace and the buffer and it's necessary to access and delete that. Keep in mind if you access an account, you need to know the bank registering an account and so this is where huh. A way to be a card and remove the chase. It's the same thing. Your file delete in the programs when you should just start. I have 3 seconds here, and it's important that you try to delete. Try to delete and disconnect before countdown. Before end countdown ends. And don't delete the entire 6 seconds. Uh, we will create an entity entry in the log with your disconnection. What? I use the log to with only disconnect entry. Maybe some tracing these two. Okay. So just don't delete a file yet. So keep in mind that you connect to marketing drivers. Blah blah blah. This is one computer connect and for example you have to rent the computers you can connect to it from there to the virtual machine. Victor machine. Okay. In case you will use bonds to connect to. There's just so much stuff. Okay. You can use a mini computer. You want to create a string of the connections about I think how and how I can do that. Uh, just you can calculate it and find your machine. I suppose. Okay. Oh, it's all reading crazy. Ah. System administrator is like what basic. So it's the same thing. Okay. Programs like automaker knows when review if programs active choose you had to put into the that content. In current version of the games, you have to delete any entry from log in a log is show and the file delete along with your IP address. How do I know my IP address? Is that everything is a reduct? Shit. Let me see. Let me see. Terminal. Let me see. Where is the stuff? Menu. It's not a menu. What is here? I remember there's just things I can open it. Browser, explore. I think it's setting. Then network. Wi-Fi cards. Appearing count. It's stuff. I don't know where is the IP address. CPU, GPU. Settings. Stuff. DDR. Network motherboard. Doesn't see. Let me check if I can search the tutorial for menu IP. Ping. IP address or number. String. Interesting. It seems there's a document. Source code. What the heck? There's a source code for this game. Is that pages? It should be. It's okay. If I can just change that. I need to remove that. Just make sure it's correct. Uh, Go back. No. I can't. Why so annoying? I can't find the stuff. Just give me a terminal. So much easier to do it. Explore. 200 something. It's not the thing. Okay, it's different. So how I can find my IP address if I want to? Redact. It's a user's. It's a victim's. Um, log appearance. The map scan. It's a lot of stuff. Mm. Probably I run too much program. That's why. Redact and to produce something. Okay. So I just do that? Jump information. Can so I have to change that. Oh crap. CH something. Okay. Don't do your entire. Okay, they're just meaning. Deteriorate doesn't take any actions against you and it's good practice of the delete used to deleting before. It doesn't say how to modify the stuff. It's a good time to better your understanding configurations and the distribution on the devices and device that's are on the network your connection the network your current network visualize the networks use scan LAN. The powerful programs and showing you network whatever in the programs file program copy the programs to the which you run it. You will find ping. Okay. Save desktop. Mm, it's taking too long. Okay, so we just delete whole thing. We don't modify anything. Essentially, then your cursor the data would be deactivated. Okay, start over. Shit. I need the Explorer to do that. So this one, and I need another icon machine. Then go up, up, in, cache session. No. It's a user. User being and scanlan. Scanlan. Just doing the same thing. Permission denied. I don't have enough permission to do that. It kind of sucks. If I'm doing that, okay. Probably using download. I remember download has some kind of permission. CD download. Uh, then go back. Please turn out. Download. Then HCP dot upload from current machine to slash root then user dash bin dash scan lan dot exe. I think is where then to the current machine. Yeah, works. Then it should be has the stuff. Then just run it. Just keep. You can visually see the device network distribution. Okay. It's a main route. Every network has one gateway between. Wait. There's communication connections. Okay. What's the difference? Is links on? Oh, because there's a terminal icon. Okay. Active. How much represented the group? So the devices is in colors and background to the power. Therefore, possibly triggered. Because they are in the same route for server session. Yeah, I'm sure. Huh. Well, you want to more something and the access route. Plus switch the branch can serve as a entry point, but there is an important difference. To interact with device under a switch, you need to be on. You're saying if their gateway is router, you usually reach them from subnets unless others block the connection. Unless it's happen. And you can purchase a ping simulation to see if you can access a specific device from any other device on the network. To do this, mouse right click and do blah 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 blah. Then by select right click open connection. Okay, then select User manager. Audio device. Employees access from the links. If a piece of means that the device that indicate the pin can be directly accessed on the device. Let me try it. Select successful. Okay. Okay. So if I'm choosing another one, like a different route, it works. What about this one? It still works. Even though it doesn't. Okay. To view the local address, click on IP address account. Okay. Ooh, it's showing the IP address. Okay. You can see and the update same pattern. 162, 123. Okay. A A910. Okay. Mm. Mm. It's different routes. I'm not sure it's correct. 729. I don't know. Okay. Last number of the logo. Logo I just DK and then means a main route and 17 main route always ends in 01 or 01 or 11. This is main route. Main route 01. So it's only one main route, okay. Um, and you can copy to any remote uh network you want to work internally to see configurations and how a device distributes. It doesn't need to be target machine. Okay. Well, how you continue to machines in tutorial, but I remember I ask you to, and the password contain the access to some more not working. Find a file and continue the missions. Continue. Mm. I think I already did. It's on my. Really don't need this. File Explorer. See. Mm, can I delete that? Oh, works. Do we? Wait. I think we need to decrypt the password. Password. I need to keep talking. It doesn't say decrypt the password. Do I have to download the thing? Uh, this configuration status. Explore. Configure. Okay. cd config. Then scp dot d. From current location mail dot txt to current local machine. Shipping routes. Don't remember which passive is. See. To G. Um, C. Okay. Uh, dash home. Oh, works. So we download a file. It doesn't say how we can decrypt things. Okay, this key password to contain. Mesh. Ah, which decryptor. Doesn't say how we can. Let me see. Where is it? Quick password. Seems there's a lot of stuff it doesn't say. This kind of stuff is just mm, password. Password reset. Crack, maybe. No crack. Nope. Ah, library. Tips. Same thing. I already find out the things, but what exactly? Uh, get password. Scan. It just mentioned lots useless stuff. Is there names I'm looking for? It's password. Then I make it a connection. Then IP address. Doesn't say. Just a bunch of IP links, whatever. Fire. Am I looking at the wrong thing? Maybe I'm not. Let's see. Closer. That's, a, that's the only file I have. Guess. No permission. Uh, oh, roots. Source. Holy shit, there's a lot of stuff inside. Hmm. 562. Ah, I'm gonna pee. Is this C? Racing one. Oh, this game has a lot of stuff. Orientation C. Syntax kind of weird. Range. Is it Python? But Python doesn't have ending end for where is this dynamic type? Okay, so basically you just you don't give the type, but well, okay, that's why they say it's string. Okay, so just tell you the what kind of data type is it? Okay, then this one is executing the functions. It seems a kind of okay to do that. It's a weird syntax, so maybe I have to check if I'm writing the programs. Okay. Ah, okay, I just need to crack the password. It just seems that I find the account, but what's the password? Do I have the login, the things? I don't know. It must be cracked. Current edge and the configurations file on the password and encrypt. Mm. The password you need a file to crack the. So I download the thing. So what can I do for it? Because it doesn't say how the what's the command line to do that. Or maybe I just drag the stuff. See, the active does things. Mm, mm, copy, paste, open. It kind of stuck. It doesn't work. Should cover name on to owner group. Just, just, let me change now. It should not be using my machine. Uh, I have no idea what am I doing. I just doing a bunch of stuff. It's talking about some gay stuff. Does it mean that we have to access different connections? I thought we doing that. We need a password and the IP address. Hmm. I don't know. Oh, I did that. Information. 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 No, 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 just DC. Uh, back and go to demo. And things. Current downloads. Identity. Truly. And what network. Mm, syntax. Downloads. Mm, stop. Stop. What? What the heck? Why is it? Okay, stop. What? I think that's an issue. This means I'm getting the SS is kind of hard to do that because everything is turned to red. I thought this just doesn't get a check, right? Why the mouse is shaky? I can't connect my phone stuff. This message. Background information. Yeah. So we have the IP address and all kind of stuff. This one's hard. Because I already got the check the machine file system. Find a way is happening. File system. It's in the niche. It's my machine. Hmm. me check. It's kind of weird. More should has should be active things. Check. Some names on that. Um, email account password. Check. Email account password file. And booking engines. Most of it have after choosing a finally gonna first dropped it and I got one show voice IP just mm, I'm trying to SSH and cannot connect your because to or okay. So this guy is trying to do the things. Do I have to delete the things? I think the second person I got an email and the phone number. Okay, a lot of people just stuck I already find mm, the files, but the problem is yeah, the problem is I can it doesn't give you so much about instructions. Oh, I can let me see. It's supposed to be what? Just doing nothing. Password a bank account. Yeah, I already have the file, but the weird thing is mm, output store. Okay, just one second. I'm sure I have time. Basically, you're sending the email. Right, doesn't mention the ports. Why people try to adding the ports? It's kind of weird. Right click, click. What? Something. No, not Zero file system. Yeah, because the mission doesn't trigger. It's kind of weird. Ah, should I download? Should I run? Should I do anything? I don't know. Just not doing the things. I hate doing this. What? What the fucking is that? Legal files. Looking and file management. What? This file management? That's a file system. I think probably because I need access, but and check the machine file system to find where is everything. Uh, user file. Machine manage. Mhm. Get it. I have to do this thing. File system they should be in map will be setting. And it kind of stuck. Thanks to guys, you named the library in the store. Dictionary and computer in the store or password access in the which is useful to enforce usually looking to and data touchstone super. It's not one. Nutrition. I don't know what exactly is mean. Yeah, sure. In, in, that's it's kind of weird. Now this one. You don't know me? Yeah, this one. I could just. What? Bring this. Foundation map to showing the stuff and like I said for that's a game. Active tracing. Do we have to delete that thing? What? File Explorer execution. Got things. What the heck? Am I looking at the uh wrong thing? Probably I'm looking at the wrong thing. That's why. Yes, the password. Ah, it's not a password, so it's another name. It's talking about some kind of switch thing. Let me see. Um, does say that substring ping simulator see it can be subsequent network right click and the ping is and the ping excessive means is directly access image situation. Okay, you want to move in one to another access the routes or switch a branch hanging. Like continuation of activity in the gateway. Does it mean that we have to switch different IP probably? Let me see. This one. How we can switch that? Usually some kind of things I don't remember. Pass. SSH. Okay. SSH. Mm, You should copy paste those things. Paste it. Get a password to IP gateway. See if I can switch. Connecting connection. 4222. What? Oh no. I don't think we have to switch the computer, 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 voucher, CH, successful. I kind of confused this term, this part. Hmm, why is it talking about switching routes? Uh, this is talking about some kind of software, and I remember kind of asking your email account password. So the password, okay, the password you, actual message. Choices would not work. Huh? So confused. I'm so confused about it. What? No, no pen. Nothing. Not me. This tutorial just gave me some other information, but it doesn't give me the notes, no permission, sources, Configuration. Coach. What the heck? Is it not the bank account things? It's kind of weird. Yeah, it's configuration files, and there's bank and mail, and then that's the user email, I think. Yeah, that's the user email. Same shit. Potential this email address. Yeah, I got it. But I don't know why I have to check some kind of weird things. Or it's a but it's encrypted, right? You will need the file to crack. Oh, the file. Okay, this one. And probably I have to run it. I'm not sure. Let me see. I can run it. Encrypted file. Okay, I think I know what's going on. You just gave me the. Oh, it doesn't say how to do it. I have to guessing. Sucks. Okay. Let me see. It's in the desktop. Let me see. The so desktop. Why it's weird. The tutorial is just much more confused. Mail text. Okay. And let me see. These five. These are five. And what's it? Okay, you should be giving me a file. How can I just delete the things? Let me see. Doing the first one. What's the name? File. Current file to desktop. Top. Then mail. .txt. Oh shit. I didn't see that list program. I'm looking for what how. Doesn't say anything. And then in the tutorial, just tell us anything and not tell us something nothing something not related to the mission. It's kind of weird. I don't know. Tutorial is just so confused. No, I don't do that. This one fine. Okay, it's good. Just send the things to the guy. Right. Take it. Oh, back. Send it. Yeah, we did it. Oh, so annoying. Ah, doing well. If you want work, you may want to visit. a website. Okay, it's IP address. Great work, complete the first mission, and the mission will be required to interact with some machines network. Cannot. Just turn off that thing. It's so stupid. I tried looking for something else to decrypt the things, but it doesn't say. Ah, shit. That- Hmm. Living machine has a torrent of machine and network cannot solve the so they social engineering to be following and follow the instruction in the mail and receive access of the ooh just receive access of the shop website. Use your browser. Where's the browser? Browser. Kind of dumb now. What? Everything just reduct. Hmm. This website so small. Patient is offer contents of the kind of stuff. The page is such an supermarket. Um, managers. Okay. Oh shit. Yeah. I think that's delete the email. Okay. Each time you complete your job, your reputation will be increased and allow you to access a new job. On the activities, click a job session. Continue. Hmm. Level 0. Hmm. A computer job needs to be available, but your karma can be run shift communication missions and increasing your negative manipulation. Way of computing police increasing. Oh my god! Okay, during the games, during the game, receive missions and that and all. And everyone says where everyone mission sections and things of them. Information classified into bunch the information which will the world being search while information while working with and okay, so it's like the experience or levels. Yeah. Negatives is not bad things. It's just having positive. Don't give any image. Okay. The way is a ways to know events that and you can change anytime. Compare the job for different jobs. Repetition. Ah, white hat, black hat. Okay. Why does two? Oh, okay. This seems simple. Your profile and click. Now look at choice. It's a small problem. Section. Huh? This thing? Or maybe I have open menu stuff, right? Oh my god, it's a lot. It's a lot of reading. It's crazy. It's a, they say it's a program. I don't see. Oh, I think I seen it in the website. Ah, it's here. Hmm. Headshot is an addition job and addition tools and the job and some hackers publish something in this page main solutions depends on library so and sufficient research. This library as essential library assistance and solution can be hacked. I no idea. Library directory discovery and patch in the public server and patch software department. The environments library update. I bring a new error. Okay. Searching install match. Search. Yes, search. Do I have to type it? Oh, 0, 0. Oh, that's a lot of options. The something they can correct. Continues fine. Should general program. If you program your own directing, if, ah, can you objects can be accessing well, the methods relates to the suggest specific class. I mean, it's able to access on the to be able to use to choose choose ah depends on whatever that. Okay, so the thing is, in the previous thing, it also has a search stuff. Yeah, like for what kind of what kind of mm, language or things they are using, then the port number on and the versions of the things. Okay. Mm. For example, most of the machines. See, library. So here it's calling library. Mm, yeah, the previous game seems much easier. means any init OS SO provisions and sufficient and safely so as everything. Sometimes you working with a range of the and you need to see something like okay and you are moving classify explore it's two classes local use and remote use remote it also can be well from and can be used to better. Ooh, that's awesome. Service opens outside. So, okay, so you have to be public, like service, uh, sub, server, yeah. Service is so program and always run background, you know, common association, the FTP. Well, you can also find about it was SQL, HTTP, Chatter, repository, chat. What? Uh, to get serving is important. Training. Oh my God, it's just protocol. It's crazy. Ah, security security assistant without never terminal file transfer protocol. Network standard. Transferring file between clients and the services in our using limited to names command cannot be accessed. You mean in the file? Okay, internet information explorer explore it. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Explore that describes what type of permission are change like for example, session and access depends on type you also you will have to guess into access machine. Oh my god, it's a lot. Now local is crazy. Local is access from with the machine. Okay, so one machine connect to another machine, I think. So still need some kind of social engineering and OS such as network and all. This means orders to successfully run local right, we need to gain the access at least as a guess to the original machine and this time by you scout points and to free something information so reservation machine by Mr. Can Mr. Gasson can able to much. Okay, so you just get an administrator or something like that at local. Yeah, an administrator, yeah. And seems that requires two specific account. Oh my god. Need to contain the requirement to be met in order and it's advisable to send somebody to hire. Wait, what? Where you do tests and provide the next attack these are dangerous and we have to. Oh, there's a rental service. It's too much. For you, we service and to buy, we have to pay for it. Shit, let me see. Shit, we have to buy it. I don't know. I have to check my account. Mm, how can I access my account, my bank account? There's an email, but I don't see the bank account. Oh shit. And this. I think it should be here. So map. There's a map. Which honest, don't think I got changed. Program. Are they using the name? Well, should we check that? Bank. Crap. I don't remember which bank. Lucky. Lucky. Okay. Let's just. Okay, we have $200. Yeah, it's good. Each one had options done on the source code and or can by vision machine. If you want to do source code, that's why you modify correct. Okay, user control. Okay. Of course, if I can get a source code, why not? Conventions and libraries are continuing efficiency. Not yet, and now with the consumer the updates, new one. Oh, it's kind of. I use scan library tools to editions, blah 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 blah, and the point also publish. We're going a great increasing chance of the interaction as well allow you to automatic connect phrase. Is it okay? Keep in mind, position to we can improve on anything, and it seems that any comments executes in consumption for any reason. Yeah, and it's a thing. Probably someday, if someday, I was this game is very it's very much has a rich contents. We may need a while to finish. I don't know. For example, let's look at the source code of the Nmap. Comments and very useful to scan the IP address and the ping reliable ports and the service behind them. Access the menu and search or go to access a map accessing. Uh, Menu. Menu. Or, yeah, just using commands much easier, right? Uh, the problem is that it's stored by default, so it must be less information. Mhm. I don't think I can search that. Why? Or wait, SSH. Mm, okay. Mhm. You can be maybe you can view the help other programs and the T4 in the game from the menu. That is fun. So this is crazy. Oh, okay. Mm, T4 menu, so I can do T4 in the game from shows a man. Mm, yeah, let me try it. It's too much. It's too many reading. Okay, comments. Okay, so it's a man. I don't think I have the things. SCP. Let me see. Oh, so it's the same thing. Just tell you how to use the user comments. Okay. Mm. You can view the source code of any programs you in the menu. What? Except the programs with exe extension and programs. It's a compiled program. Like, yeah, compiled. Compiled. Uh, you cannot access a code programs compiled. How do you players? Okay. Oh, so holy shit. Mm, if okay, the input is not one, so it must be more than at least two input on your storage. Extra comments. Matters. Okay. What about terminal? So let's cast move such as prevent damage and combine using code editor. You can create your own terminal program Okay, but uh, any not just any terminal program is programmed on push. So we have using a gray script allows you to fully okay and like other like any other uh, is it real thing? Yeah, because in previous in another game they use a Python. Searching Bush and click show. There's just source code. Um, that's too much. The tutorial is so long. And from to now you can use the source code. Blah blah blah. Blah. Wait, we can use. Wait. Or for each right now, please. Okay. Okay. Code bash. So basically, we just execute the code editor, then using the sub uh, comments or some comments, then use then read the file. Okay. Yeah. So that's a program thing. Okay. You if you're interested in programming, most of the recommendation will recommend way to start looking at source code, um, small modification to understand how it works, and consult the document in the menu. Okay. When you're creating all things and give us stuff text with extension src. What's that file? Oh, source code. Okay. In order for the program to be executed from terminal, you first need to compile. Okay, commit and the binary file create which is programs already launched. Keep in mind, continuous action cannot be read by any program. Um, now we can go to compiling. Okay, so use the editor to compiling the programs. Okay, I understand now. It should be in the. I like to use it, put it into the roots, so it's much easier to do it. Hmm. Map. Say. Okay. Now try it, but instead you mention use public own public and find out information and yeah, that's the things I was looking for. Sometimes it's just skip to the head. Sometimes it's just hard to do it. Let me see. Do I get a map? Okay, see here. Map. Then, well, wait. I configure. Mm, Come and tell you, what's it? Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Public. I think it's this one. And we shall see what local address on the link network gateway local IP. We connect to keep us access information with any public, but you can scan the local IPs of the Lancer network. So you're also working at local IP. Wait, let me try it. Copy. Let's see. I just this game has a couple pages. This kind of sucks. Scan finish no ports. Okay. So about this one. Ah, yeah. Oh, okay. Scanned IP, copy IP. Yeah, I just did. If the network is open ports and it will be this, which is version. Why does it employee? Wait a minute. This means that there's another guy inside. There's another service. I know. Hmm. User can and always scan. You're always scanning the main route of the room and it belongs to and which is a gateway to the internet. Network connection may to has no open ports. You can try scanning IP with IPv4 range, which is amazing. There's over 40. Oh, nobody doing that. It's crazy. Before we turn to London, you should visit another website. It's for to give shopping like convenience to convenience shop. You can be on the search also system shop. Huh? I don't do this anymore. I run it. No. I'm not buying anything. Okay. So I'm saying shop. Typing to. Okay. I think it needs to upgrade the machine. I think the system component. Mm, Doesn't look like shut crap. I do exactly typing numbers. Oh, the same page. Okay. Mm, a map. I also have a map. Storage songs not only software but also hardware. Let's go to the store and you can purchase for blah 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 blah. Buying hardware components, make sure they're compatible with your motherboard. If you change your motherboard, make sure. Oh shit, it's so complicated. Let me see how much you for a motherboard. Seems that motherboard sucks. When right now, CPU, two CPU, two RAM, maximum. So it's 8 GB. So maximum is 8 GB. So that means only four. Okay, we have to get better stuff. It's only 8 GB. Well, best is just 8 GB. Okay, what about the rent? Let me see rent. 4 GB, 8 GB. But there's 8 GB. And there's 8 GB. Probably slower. Why? 4 GB. Why is a 4 GB expensive? Quality. Okay, this is quality. Okay. Mm, return to shop. Take your time to review the available jobs and the guy you if you got stuck on a machine missions you can leave it unfinished and no punishment no oh okay whatever uh for doing so and keep in mind each okay so it's kind of free doing anything you want. So, new game, entire IP address, issue, and blah, 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 blah. In some what that. What else? 1,000 should write down, right? Make sure to write the items correctly, or you want to record some machines and blah, blah, blah. Right? Point to the wrong one. Ah. In addition to the network, you can find the road. There's a behind your own touch. I mean, 20 servers. Having a renting server can help you run the test server software registration. You can add more than one service to the same network. You have line the hiding some network usage to internet. Oh, there's a lot of stuff. It's crazy. The tutorial I'm doing like hours. It's crazy. uh, ISP internet service provider. Okay. The page allows you to to render remote network configuration with this device SSH, but they also allow you to contract a specific home connections, which is a configuration of our routes, which is message service. Okay. Package 6. Oh my god, 60 for a month? Oh, it's crazy. Oh my god. So I okay, you can choose any domain you want. Oh, so basically we can choose. We can set up the lot of stuff to be able to have internet. You will need to what's that? Ethernet network card to some data possession. Hiring payment is free. Then auto facing monthly over time. Rent servers fund. Then in your email you just received mm, you have to you have to you have the instructions how to utilize but before I say important maybe I just oops, pants. It's weird. Mm. Mm. And let's see, the device that really made up. They were pricing the better and as you can see total payment. Monthly payment using improving that higher service and paid at the same time. Uh, using this source such deterministic working to you cannot fully map all the payment. You can individually restore so you want and to change the amount of the species to manually restore. I can. Restore solution to be an feedback for. What do you mean by months? How the times count? Okay, end of the next month, all the services will be inactive in the summer. It's a good idea to have it higher. Let's go for more. Some people past there's a lot of the okay, so basically it's a counting like a timer. Monthly payment yes, if not logged in the game for a real day. Next time player re-enter the game monthly resume. So it's a real it makes it possible as well as game close. Does counting as a real day? Mm. Restore change. Could be changed. Payment. To your network. I agree. Disconnect. Reset network. Maybe reset entire. Don't be delete. Yeah. Okay, student tutorial. Okay. Yeah, I just deleted that. Shit. I didn't finish. Oh, shit. Maybe I should start over the things. The browser on this one. This is choosing. See if I Logging your service. Let me see. Ah, logging your service to member nation. Okay, well, I think that we have the IP address stuff, right? Yeah, IP address, password, everything. Okay. Mm, search. Let's me see. Pass. Okay. Now connecting all solutions. So that's what we are. We all know it. Probably IP and the password. Oh, that's crazy. Can I just do tutorial later? It's so crazy, so much stuff. Let me see. Copy Explorer. I can't remember so many so many stuff. What is two IP address? The same thing. Sure. Okay. Hell no. Someone try to want to change some grade again. Uh, let me see. Probably IP written want to change and database local IP. If you cannot directly access and try to access to the machine and local network. The, so we have the proper IP. The problem is how we can hack it. We need to map the IP address see first, then see the think it's over some hash. Terminal. 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 Browser. English. Browser. Search. Then go to the website. We download the stuff. How can we use the hacker things? Actually tell me how to do it. Let's check what to do. Yeah, can do that. Ah, HTTP. Another thing. 1.06. Okay, so that's two. And the base. GCP. Password. Wow, this one is awesome. So they use HTTP connections, then just change the password. That's crazy. And those two is same. I have no idea which one I should use it. Okay, let's see. Should be always rely on the initial OS because initial OS 1.4, 1.5. Conscience gas. I feel like uh this better because it's support more versions. It's like greater, than just how much is it? 85. Why does a ticket? Oh yeah. Mm, yep. Let me see how I can compile page terminal to further. Uh, com uh, C. Session. Oh, C. Then just a bunch of libraries. Sucks. Hmm. Not enough rain. Uh, that's, I don't need this. Bin this bin run. Let's go there. HPC. IP address and a port. Oh, that's easier. Like IP address. Yeah. IP address and a port is a oh. Finding the pass file. So I have to get some kind of programs. Uh, to the library. Okay. Okay. Characters contain. Okay, we basically name. Or thing. Configuration. Nope. 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 Its username is nope. It was talking about IP address. So it's an SSH to access the machines. But we need a password and something else. See library. It has a look as it doesn't do anything. Okay, that turns out. This game's kind of not for the stream. Uh, it's too much stuff and seems it's not good. Good access in the show such. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I should understand.